Okay, I'll give you a pass. But you know, women have a issue when men don't eat their food, right?
Are you prepared this?
Well, no, but I picked it out.
Picked it out. That sounds like a shoes or clothes or something, but you picked it out. Picked it out.
Well, I must tell you that I take pride in selecting things for my man, whether that be food or garment.
Okay, I hear you. So, you're not working today?
Well, no, they're doing training exercises with the new employees, so I asked for the day.
And you decide to spend it with me?
So you wanted me to spend it with someone else?
No.
Well, I could always change the plans and spend it with a tall, dark, handsome computer analyst at work. So, take your best bet.
Wait, what? A joke I make, right?
Of course, I'm joking, Carlton. May I just tell you about a tall, dark, handsome man just so?
Yeah, no. You nowadays women are very liberated, so anything is possible.
Yes. According to how you deal with them, you have to treat them very nice. Make sure the surroundings are clean, good environment.
Alright. I like how that sound. But me I gonna just put it in a one word. Like we said two. Good service. It's the service will make the difference. I think you know that because you must have that experience in the cruise ship industry. And this is what I would have liked, we would have liked to be incorporated in this giant, you see yourself. Because the fact that we're in the inner city, we want to offer a level of service where rival any cruise ship, any 5-star hotel. You understand? So, what me I try to say is that this is that same level of service that is offered on a cruise ship. The bar is wiped ceremoniously after every drink. Even while the drink is there, sometimes you just take it up a while because there's this subliminal mindset of being attended to. And that is one of the reasons why we men come to the bar. Yes, most times because the bartender have a good package here, but we want to be attended to. So I am having a drink, you know what I mean, and probably chatting you up, and you are there, you wipe the bar, lift up a glass, wipe the bar. These things speak volumes. And it would have been nice to me and to my business partner if you, young lady, could have offered us that level of service.
Yes, I can, but remember that the place dusty, so when we clean, it does up very fast.
Quite understandable. However, that even underscore the fact that, you know, if you could have really, I know it can be frustrating, really exercise a little bit more wiping or dusting, you know, it would have really be a blessing. You understand?
Nowadays, women, when Beanie Man did say them want enough girl and girl in a bungle.
Okay, so now we're going too far. It was a joke. Ha 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 ha.
A joke. Okay, Carlton.
Oh boy.
So tell me, how's my favorite place? Business picking up?
Well, yeah. I have a new manager there, an old friend of mine. So he's doing his thing. I am leaving it in his hands. I'm not going to intervene much. I have too much other things to think about. So Calder Tours will be fine under his management.
One thing we do, you know, you always are bringing friend and company.
What is that supposed to mean?
As in, you're always looking out for your friends?
Okay. Why this sound like it have an undertone? You're talking about something else. You're talking about Tony, right?
No undertone, it's just all the way over. But anyways, yeah, how's business with Tony?